in which he says, "माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रोंधे मोए, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रोंधूंगी तोए." So today we may be very high or very important, and we think someone else is very low or something else is very low. But tables always turn. So don't be so proud or arrogant. That's what he's trying to say. आया है सब जाएगा राजा रंग फकीर, कोई सिंहासन चढ़ी चले, कोई बंधे जंजीर. Whoever has come has to go, whether they are king or pauper or a fakir. But some people go like kings when the time comes. And other people don't want to go, so they have to be dragged away in chains. And then it's very difficult. Don't oppress the weak, because even their words have a lot of power. And their words will come back to haunt you. If you speak in a sweet and cool manner, it helps the other person and it also helps you. It's good for everyone. If we learn to speak like that, if we can control our speech. But if the mind is not in control, the speech is not in control. First, the mind has to be in control. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख काहे को होए. When sorrow comes, when difficulty comes, everyone looks for solution. Then you start meditating, then you start doing all these kinds of things. But Kabir says, if you're always aware, in good times and in bad times, then why should bad times come, if you're even aware in good times? But when the good times come, we forget. Because then we are too interested in enjoying everything. Then we forget all this awareness, meditation, etc., etc. Who cares? We'll think about it later.
माटी कहे कुम्हार